Hello, this is a brief setup guide for those of you wanting to get your MOZA Multifunction Stalks set up in either American Truck Simulator or Euro Truck Simulator. Let's go! First, you'll want to install your stalks onto your MOZA wheelbase using the included mounting plate and plug in the USB-C cable to your computer. And once you've done that, quickly pop into the MOZA Pithouse software. But before we do anything, let's just swap to a bit more of an appropriate wheel. There we go. At first, it might ask you to verify the stalks. If so, do that and then go to the right-hand side of the software. Here, you'll be able to scroll through different titles to configure. Scroll down to either Euro or American Truck Simulator, both if you want to drive both, and make sure to click Configure just on top of the game over here. Then once you're done, you want to head over to the MOZA Multifunction Stalks icon in the software and make sure that you are on this adaptation mode, the Euro Truck Simulator 2 or American Truck Simulator adaptation mode. So now that we've set everything up in MOZA Pithouse, let's head into Euro Truck Simulator and get it set up there. Let's go. Alright, so once you're in Euro or American Truck Simulator, you want to head over to the System and then Options page, go on over to Keys and Buttons, and at the very bottom you want to click Reset to Defaults. Once you've done that, it's pretty much all done. If you'd like to assign anything extra, you'll have to head on over to the Controls page, and then over here you want to assign the MOZA Multifunction Stalk as an input type. Then go back onto Keys and Buttons, and then you'll be able to assign any of the empty inputs as a function, and you're done. Hopefully this has helped you get your MOZA Multifunction Stalk set up in either Euro Truck Simulator or American Truck Simulator. And if you also have the MOZA TSW truck wheel, there's another video on MOZA's channel dedicated to help you get that set up. Bye bye!